Now, let's talk about the long run. In the long run, all the factors of production are variable. So as the boss of Foxconn, you can do whatever you like. You can vary the factory size, the land size, the equipment, everything. Hence, you are making decisions in terms of scaling your entire factory. If I place my factory at this size, what happens? If I double the scale, double everything, what happens? And then we go, so from now we investigate the scale of production. We want to know, should Foxconn double its production? Would it, and if Foxconn doubles its production, will it double its output? Will it more than double the output, or will it less than double the output? So we can actually identify three possible scenarios: constant, increasing, and decreasing returns to scale. What does that mean? Well, for constant returns to scale, it just means that when you double your output, when you increase a firm size by a certain amount, then the output increases by the same amount. So for example, when you increase a firm size by 10%, the output increases by 10% as well. The same percentage. So for increasing returns to scale, this is where a 10% increase will cause a 20 to 30% or even more percentage increase. A given percentage increase in inputs will lead to a larger percentage increase in output. Decreasing returns to scale simply means that when given a certain percentage increase, in inputs, it will lead to a smaller percentage increase in output. For example, if you expand by 10%, your output will only increase by 5%. Now, does this mean that I increase my raw materials by 20%, but I don't increase my labor, and my output will still increase by 10%? No. To scale means you increase all your factors of production by the same proportion. Decreasing returns to scale is therefore very different from the diminishing marginal returns, where only the variable factor increases. So this table actually sums up the differences between diminishing returns and diminishing returns to scale. Sorry, and decreasing returns to scale. Notice how decreasing returns to scale, the inputs increase at the same rate, whereas for diminishing returns, only the variable factor matters. You're like packing more people into a factory, but in this case, for decreasing return scales, you're just expanding the entire factory, labor, and everything. Everything times 2.